In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a report in Expensify, a tool that simplifies expense management. Whether you're managing your own expenses or facilitating a team, understanding how to submit a report is crucial to ensuring all expenses are filed correctly and promptly. So, let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you have all the tools you need. To get started, open your Expensify app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll find the familiar plus icon. Clicking this icon is your gateway to creating new entries within Expensify. This icon is designed to be a centralized starting point for a variety of actions you'll perform repeatedly. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with several options. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Create Report. This choice will set you up to compile your expenses into a report format. Once you've initiated this report, move ahead to Add Expense and then Create Expense options. Each of these selections is vital for building the contents of your report. They allow you to either compile existing expense records or add new ones that you've incurred but have yet to document. Next, proceed to Add Expenses, a critical step that allows you to populate your report with the relevant expenditures you've previously recorded in the app. By clicking on Add Expenses, you'll be prompted to select the individual expenses that you want to include in your report. Carefully review your expenses and ensure you've selected all pertinent items you wish to report. This process is streamlined for your ease, allowing you to integrate multiple expenses quickly and efficiently. Remember, meticulous selection helps in maintaining clarity and accuracy in your final report. Once your expenses have been successfully added to the report, it's time for submission. Look for the Submit button, which typically appears toward the upper section of your interface. Clicking Submit will initiate the report sending process. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter any necessary approver details. Make sure to input the correct information here, as this will ensure that the report reaches the right person or department responsible for approval. After you've confirmed the approver's details, click Send to finalize the submission of your report. Submitting a report in Expensify becomes second nature after a few tries. By organizing your expenses methodically and reviewing them carefully before submission, you can ensure an efficient reporting process. Expensify is a powerful tool that offers a streamlined solution for handling expenses, and mastering its functions can save you a lot of time and hassle. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you confidently navigate your expense report.